Mikey here again, guys, and sorry, I always have to make a lot of videos because I remember stuff to say, but this is like gonna be three-part, but no, I'll probably just put different like names on the videos, but excuse me, oh my god, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I am like confused about what I should get next, and I said it in my other video that I want you guys to like pick what I get next, but I guess no one heard it or something, but yeah, I'm making this video just asking you guys I'm asking you guys, what do you think I should get next? What opening? And I will buy it because I don't know what I want. Like, I have like too many choices. I don't know what I want. But if you guys want to see something specific open, I'll buy it. Whatever it is, I will try my best to buy it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to say that. I forgot to say it in the last video, but yeah, I'll say it right now. I guess I'll show you guys all my cards real quick. Well, you guys already seen these, but I'll show it to you again. These are all from Legendary Collection 3. I'm actually thinking of buying more Legendary Collection 3 and my phone probably soon. Cause I didn't get the cards that I wanted. Like, I didn't get Dark. I think Red Eyes is in here. I'm pretty sure he is. I didn't get like a lot of cards that I wanted, and I thought getting 5 boxes would like get me a lot of the cards I wanted, but freaking didn't, and it just left me wanting more. So I might just buy 5 boxes again. Oh, and by the way, I got those boxes for really cheap, actually. I got them. If you guys would like to know, message me and I'll let you know where I got them from. Hopefully they're still in stock. For $20 each, and I got free shipping. So I paid exactly $100 for 5 boxes. And I hear they're selling for like 30, 35. But I think they went down in price on Amazon, but still, it's at like 26, I believe. But I got mine 5 for 100, so that's good to me, you know. But if you guys would like to know that, send me a message, and I will let you guys know. And yeah, and let me know what you guys want me to open. It could be, and like I said, it could be whatever. It could even be like just like a special edition box or whatever, or it could be a booster box. You know, whatever you guys want, I'll open it for you guys. But yeah, please comment, rate, subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. And remember, I am having a giveaway at 200 subscribers. That's not even a lot, guys. Come on. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.